Where and how to find your saved website pages on Brave. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how and where to find your saved pages on Brave browser. Let's start. First thing, we go to Brave browser and let's say that our saved page is Facebook. As you can see, this page is saved. Now, where can I find it? First thing, you need to go to those three dots here, click on them, and then click on bookmarks. As you can see, this is the page that I saved. And that's it for today's video guys. Don't forget like and subscribe if this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching till the end.